everyone, happy day. Are you enjoying your summer vacation? Hopefully you are. Today, I'm not cooking. I'm gonna perform an experiment. Some people say if we cut the lettuce with very sharp knife and keep it in the refrigerator, it'll be better for keeping it fresh longer. Others say if we tear it with the finger in the same direction of fiber, it is better. I wonder which is better for keeping the lettuce fresh longer. Cutting the lettuce with a very sharp knife or just tearing it with the finger in the same direction of fiber. So, I'm gonna check which is right with performing in an experiment. Let's trim the lettuce. First, tap hard on the wick and press from on the wick and twist it slightly and remove this one. Okay? And first, we should pull off the outer leaves. And usually you wash in cold water and dry it. But this time, just skip this process. Okay? Yeah. To make the knife very sharp, I spare a knife. I'll cut the lettuce with a very sharp knife. I'll cut the lettuce into bite-sized pieces. And after cutting it, and put in a bowl. Okay, and put aside. And this time, just I gonna tear with finger in the same direction of fiber as possible. And I put in a bowl. And later, this lettuce, I will move to this container and that container. And we'll keep it in the refrigerator. And I gotta check 3 days later and 7 days later. And after checking it, I post the picture of the result on my YouTube. Coming soon. I moved some lettuce to containers. May I give you some more tips? After you use the lettuce for cooking, how do you keep the leftover? I'm gonna tell you the way you keep it fresh longer in a refrigerator. In a container or an airtight container, first you should put kitchen towel, 2 or 3 kitchen towels at the bottom, and you can put some the leftover, right? And cover the lid and keep it in the refrigerator. It's very easy. This experiment shows that tearing the lettuce by hand will keep it fresh longer. If you want to keep some vegetables and oil fresh, you should protect it from heat, light, and oxygen. Please keep in mind. Have a nice weekend. Goodbye. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe and give me a like.